Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the hashtags or tags, right? We have done this before in the previous tutorial, so you are pretty much aware what we're going to do. And we already have the design here in our templates, and we just need to create a view, right? Let's just go to the views and post. Okay, let's go down here to the bottom. Let's create a new view. It will be like login required. Then let's name this one tags. Right, it will take a request and the tag slot. Okay. Okay, and then create a new tag. Be equal to get object or 404. Okay. Tag and the slot will be equal to tag slot. Okay, we are passing the tag slot here. Okay, now let's get a post. Post object filter tags the tag. Okay, and we're going to order them by the date, or in this case is post. Good. Okay, so we're getting the tag here that we're passing as the parameter, the slug, remember the URL. Okay, we're getting the tag here and we are finding the tag, and then we are like filtering those posts by those tags. Okay, we're getting all the posts that have that tag. Okay, and we are ordering them by date. And yeah, now we just need to do the template loader.get template. Template is tag. Let's see. Yes, tag.html. Okay. Context. Of course, the post, and also the tag. Yes, let's get the tag too. Beautiful. Okay, now this will return HTTP response. Oops. Template, render, and then we pass the context and the request. Beautiful. Okay, yeah, get object or 404. You can import that in the shortcuts here. Okay, let's save that. Now let's create a URL for that view. Let's go to the URLs here. Okay, let's import the view tags. Now let's path when we tag, and then we pass it. It will be a slug, of course. Tag slug. Oops. Yes, just like that. And then I hear the view tags and the name. Okay, the name we're gonna call it, I don't know, like tags. Okay, beautiful. Comma here. Let's save that. Okay, now let's go to our templates to start like modifying the template. Good. Okay, here we need to get rid of all of these from the Navbar. Oh yeah, this is the banner that we had like on the top. So in the base HTML, we don't have the banner here because the banner like goes here. So we're going to create a new block just for the banner. Okay, let's just copy this one. Let's put it here under the nav. Let's call it banner. Okay, let's copy this one. Let's copy. Okay, let's copy this one, and this. Beautiful. And we can get rid of this one. Just copy the block. Okay, paste it here. We can put this a little up. The block. Okay, let's see where this ends. Okay, here. So let's get rid of all of these. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, we can actually get rid of all of these because we just need one. This was just for the designing thing. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Let's save. And now we can implement the for, the iterator here, for post in post. That's how we name it. Okay. Let's copy. Paste it here. Oops. And then the N4. Okay. Let's just okay. Okay, and then like here, we delete that. Then we put post that picture that URL because we're getting the URL of the picture. Okay. Yep. It's pretty easy. We need like a URL for the. Let's put that. Yes. Let's move this one here. So when the people click on the picture, it will take it to the original post. So now we can just call like the posts that get underscore absolute URL. And I think, let me check the index. I think we did it wrong here. Yes, here that's wrong. I mean, like, it works, but we have the get absolute URL here. We don't need. Let's just copy this one. We don't need to use that method. Yeah. Let's just get rid of that one. That's supposed to be. Oh, actually in this case, it's to be, yes. Post item that get absolute URL. That absolute URL is from here, the models, remember? Here, this one. So we have the same thing in the tag. Actually, we need to modify the tag because now we can use it. As you can see, we commented this, but we need to like uncomment like this section, so we can now actually use this one. Okay, so go ahead and uncomment this one. Okay. Let's save and save and then save. Okay. Now let's go to now here we need. Let's copy this one and paste it here. And it was tag title because we're getting remember in the views. Oh, where is it? Oh, here. We are also in the tag. We are also passing the tag here, so we can call the title here. Okay. I think that should work. Oh, we need to set the URL for the index here. So if you go down here where the hashtags are, here we need to, let's copy this one. we need to call the absolute, what is it? Oops. The models. We need to call the absolute URL. Okay, this one. We need to call that. Here, let's just put that get absolute URL. We can just copy this one because this is for the index. Now we need it for the post detail. Let's save. Let's go to post detail. Okay, here. The A, yes, save that. And now we can actually try and see if it works. Here, let's refresh. Here's the hashtag. As you can see, the URL now updated. Now let's click. Oh, yes. So we forgot to, let's go to the templates. Where is it? Tag. Yeah, we forgot to extend the base HTML here. Let's go to index. Let's copy all of this. We forgot to extend from the base HTML. That's why. Okay, let's refresh now. Here we go. Here is our hash. This is the hashtag. Okay, let me change this. It's supposed to be oops, like that. Save. Okay, here's the hashtag, space, and all of these posts that are in space. Okay, this one and this one. And when you click in one of those, it will take you to the original post by this person. As you can see, we have more hashtag here. And let's click on that one, etc., etc., etc. Yeah, this is working perfectly. Now let's let's change all of these. Let's fix the Navbar. Can just that we can log out here. Then also home and all of that stuff. Let's go to the base HTML here. Home. Here, let's put URL index. Let's refresh. You see, it's working perfectly. Okay, this is the name of the URL, remember? Okay, let's copy this one. Okay, let's go to the logout. It's right here. Log out. Save. Let's see if it works. Log out. Boom. Working perfectly. Let's log again. Here we go. Okay, it's working. Yeah. In the next videos, we're going to continue working with polishing all of this. We're going to work with the profile and stuff like that. It's just to be able to change all of this information. This is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.